Hello kids, let's move on to part 2 of chapter 5 using styles and objects. In this part we will learn with the shapes. The shapes is a drawing feature that helps you to draw various shapes like stars, banners, callouts, connectors, etc. With the help of these shapes, you can draw attention and provide impact to your message. To insert shape, follow these steps. First of all, click on the Insert tab. Then go to the Illustrations group and choose the option Shapes. A drop-down menu displays various options like lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flowchart, callouts, stars and banners, etc. as shown in the figure. Point to basic shapes and select the smiley face. The pointer changes into crosshair symbol as shown in figure. Drag it on the working area. The selected shape appears in the document as shown in figure. It is very easy. Now, along with these, the Format tab appears as soon as you click on the shapes. Select any shape style from the Shape Styles gallery. Click on the More drop-down menu to select option from the More Shape Style list. See, there are many options available. You can choose any. Now here there is a tip. Let's see. To maintain the height and width ratio of a shape, hold down the Shift key while you drag the shape. So if you want to maintain height and width ratio, you have to press the Shift key. Now let's see how to place text in shapes. So Words also allows you to insert text in your selected shape. Let's see how to do that. To add text in a shape that you have selected, select the desired shape and drag it according to your need. Suppose I have selected callout shape. Now, right click on the drawing object. Now right click over here and select the Add Text option from the shortcut menu. The insertion point appears as shown in figure. Now, you can type the text. I am writing practice makes a man perfect. Now let's discuss few topics. Shape Fill tool versus Shape Outline tool. Now Shape Fill, using Shape Fill tool you can fill the object, and using Shape Outline tool you can change the outline color. Now let's see using drawing tools. All the drawing features are present in the Shapes drop-down menu. Let us create a hut using various shapes. Select the Line tool and draw the outline of the hut. So with the help of lines, we are now drawing the outline of the hut. To select the outline of the hut, hold down the Shift key and click on each line individually. So this way you have to click on each line. Now click on the Shape Outline drop-down list in the Shape Style group on the Format tab. Select the Weight option and click on 3-point line. So it will give you the thicker line. To draw a door, select the Rectangle tool and drag inside the hut. I am selecting rectangle and now I am drawing the door. Click on the Shape Fill tool in the Shape Styles group on the Format tab and fill any color of your choice. Now change the outline color of the door by selecting the Shape Outline tool. So if you want to change the outline color, you have to select the option Shape Outline. Select the Oval tool and draw a window in a hut. To duplicate the drawing objects, as we already know that you can choose the option Copy and Paste. So what is the shortcut key over here? Ctrl+C is for copy and Ctrl+V is for paste. To make clouds, click on the Callouts option in the Shapes list and select the Cloud callout. Now drag the shape and fill grey color inside it. To display rain shower, draw a line, then select the Dashes option from the Shape Outline tool on the Format tab. Dashes and choose any of your choice. Select the square dots and observe its effect. Type the text Beautiful Hut and select it. Change the text color by selecting the Font Color tool in the Font group on the Home tab. I am choosing red color. Now let's see how to insert clip art and pictures. So Word also allows you to insert pictures. You can insert a picture or clip art in your document to make it appealing. Now what is this clip art? See, clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly in a document. So Word allows you a list of clip arts. Place the cursor where you want to insert a picture. Now, click on the picture button in the Illustrations group on the Insert tab. Find the location of the picture that you want to insert on your document and select it. The desired image will be inserted in the document as shown in figure. Now, likewise the same way, to insert a clip art image, you can click on the Clip Art option. The Clip Art task pane appears on the right of the window as shown in figure. Now type the desired keyword in the search for text box that is related to the image you wish to insert. For example, computer and click on Go button. It will display all the clip art images related to computer. So clip art are the ready-made pictures. View the various clip art images using vertical scroll bar and click on the desired clip art image to insert. View the various clip art images. Okay, I have inserted one. Now here there is a note. Just keep in your mind. You can apply various artistic effects to a picture by selecting the Artistic Effects option in the Adjust group under the Format tab to make it look like a sketch, a drawing or a painting. See, it looks better now. Word also provides various effects such as glow, soft, bevel, reflections, etc. These effects can be applied to a picture or a clip art by selecting the Picture Effects option in the Picture Styles group under the Format tab. So here our part 2 ends. Thank you for watching my video.